Hey guys, welcome to the Tenorshare channel. Have you ever dreamed of creating a stunning Ghibli-style fantasy image using AI? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT-4o to generate these magical Ghibli-style images and turn your imagination into reality. Recently, ChatGPT-4o introduced a new feature that allows you to generate images based on text prompts. All you need to do is enter the right prompts, and AI will bring your vision to life. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Open ChatGPT-4o. Go to your browser and visit chatgpt.com. Log into your account, or you can sign in using your Google account. Step 2. Enter a suitable prompt. Seeing the dialog box in the middle, we can start generating images. Simply type in a description of the scene you want to create and press enter. Wait a few moments for the image you describe to be generated. Step 3. Refine the details. If the image feels a bit plain, you can tweak it. Simply describe the adjustments you want, then hit send. And just like that, the image is modified. You can even have ChatGPT create a comic based on the image. Just tell it the type of story you want and press enter. After a short wait, you will get the 4-panel comic illustration. This feature is perfect for capturing fun moments with your pet. Upload a picture of your pet and let ChatGPT generate a 4-panel comic. Now you've got a unique and fun piece of art. You can also upload your own photos to get stylized images in different artistic styles. Pretty cool, right? Every result is unique, so try different prompts until you find the perfect style. If you're excited to give it a shot, open ChatGPT-4o and try it for yourself. And don't forget to share your experience in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.